Hello there. Welcome to our channel Dr. Hemoglobin. Today, we're diving into something truly fascinating that can make a real difference in your well-being, the incredible world of mushrooms and their amazing health benefits. You might be surprised to learn just how much these humble fungi can contribute to a healthier you. Let's explore 10 fantastic reasons why incorporating mushrooms into your diet is a brilliant idea. First off, mushrooms are a powerhouse of antioxidants. These vital compounds help protect your cells from damage, which is crucial for overall health and can play a role in slowing down the aging process. Think of them as tiny defenders for your body. Secondly, they are a fantastic source of B vitamins, including riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. These vitamins are essential for energy production, helping your body convert food into fuel and supporting a healthy nervous system. Thirdly, for those looking to boost their immune system, mushrooms are a natural ally. Certain types contain beta-glucans, a type of fiber known to stimulate immune cells and enhance your body's defense mechanisms. Fourth, mushrooms are a good source of selenium. This trace mineral is important for thyroid function and also acts as an antioxidant, working alongside other beneficial compounds. Fifth, they offer a unique source of vitamin D, especially when exposed to UV light. Vitamin D is vital for bone health and immune function, and it's not commonly found in many other plant-based foods. Sixth, mushrooms are incredibly low in calories and fat, making them an excellent addition to any weight management plan. They can add volume and flavor to meals without adding significant calories. Seventh, they contain beneficial compounds like ergothioneine, an amino acid with antioxidant properties that may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Eighth, for plant-based eaters, mushrooms can be a valuable source of protein, contributing to muscle repair and growth. Ninth, the fiber content in mushrooms supports digestive health, promoting regularity and a healthy gut microbiome. And 10th, their unique umami flavor can enhance the taste of dishes, allowing you to reduce your reliance on salt and other less healthy flavor enhancers. Incorporating mushrooms into your meals is surprisingly easy. They can be sautéed with vegetables, added to soups and stews, grilled, or even enjoyed as a meat substitute in many recipes. Experimenting with different varieties like shiitake, cremini, or oyster mushrooms can add wonderful depth and texture to your cooking. We hope this has inspired you to explore the delicious and health-boosting potential of mushrooms. They truly are a gift from nature that can support your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please consider following our channel for more insights into healthy living. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.